So pay attention if you would like to create high-impact, automated videos in just 3 minutes, using our proven video styles that are used by major news stations, the world's biggest viral sites, and top YouTube channels, all with zero editing, using this powerful new invention. You can use this simple platform to create attention-grabbing videos for physical products, affiliate offers, local businesses, viral videos, social media posts, news stories, product deals, book launches, info products, and much, much more, all with just a few clicks. Now listen, you may have seen all the major video marketing statistics out there about how video traffic will soon account for 80% of all consumer internet traffic, and that YouTube reports mobile video consumption grows 100% every single year, or that a lot more people will buy a product if they see a video first. Video is a critical requirement of your marketing, and the fact is 80% of all online marketers are already using video. So today, you need more video, and you need it more quickly. Because look, here's the scary part. After helping over 10,000 plus businesses, entrepreneurs, and agencies drive more traffic, get more leads, and make more sales, a certain kind of video emerged as being incredibly powerful for grabbing attention, getting views, and getting clicks. It's based on a proven, time-tested formula that evolved over 16 years offline and has finally been mastered online. The Video Bulletin. These sharp, professional quality videos are specifically designed to capture and keep attention, and they're available to you by just filling in a form. This means you can finally get that click, attract a new visitor, gain a new lead, or make a new sale with virtually no effort using this brand new automated software, which lets you create these videos in just 3 minutes. You could create literally hundreds of these videos with minimum effort, no editing required. Introducing VidBullet from Press Cable, and here's how simple it all is. All you have to do is Step 1. Select one of the proven VidBullet templates. Step 2. Fill in a form with your chosen text and graphics. You can use your own image or choose from the included library of stock images and footage to enrich your content further. Step 3. Hit the button and VidBullet gets to work immediately. It takes just 3 minutes and you'll have your high quality video bulletin fully rendered and good to go.